Hello, welcome to Katrina's Graceful Creations. This is my new studio, still being done, set up. Mostly everything is gonna be like IKEA furniture, IKEA hacks. So starting in this corner, I have this little table that I got. I have all my vinyl displayed, and this is something that I actually made. A lot of people are talking about the replica boards, but I made it myself, just put like some backdrop. So that's where I take all my product shots at right there. And right here, basically, I have all my heat presses, and I have my mug press set up. And I have just tons of storage with all my tumblers and sublimation acrylic bottles, everything that I use for my tumblers to make. And right here from Heat Transfer Warehouse is the Sublimation Oven. This is my baby. Of course, sitting on top of another IKEA Calyx unit that I put, and I just put, of course, this is lower than that, so I had to raise it up. I put some legs on it and just made it the same exact height. Over in this corner are all my printers. I have my printer, my first sublimation printer that I converted. Of course, I have my Sawgrass and my regular printer. This is my white toner. This is the only thing that's brown that I will definitely be changing out because I do not like it. I have to get something white there. This is my new computer setup. This is where I'll do all my editing for my YouTube videos. Just a Home Depot tabletop with my Alex drawers. And this is where I'll do my embroidery. I'm so glad it fit in my room because I definitely was not sure if it was gonna fit, but this just turned out to be the perfect space for it. And I wanted a brand new setup for my backdrop. So I'll normally be filming from here when I maybe do my intros, or when I'm doing something, I'll be recording and have my overhead camera mount. And this is my new backdrop, my Cameo 4 Plus. And I have all my small presses. Of course, this one is the Walla press that I have right here. And I have my Easy Press. I have the small one as well. So you've pretty much seen me use these on my channel, but I have all the tools, everything that I use, that I make products with, my glitters, and I have just tons of more storage underneath on that side, just displaying some of them. So I only set a few products out, but everything else is like hidden in between doors. And because I just moved in, you definitely don't want to see what's going on here. It's scary. It's not done yet. But I have more vinyl displayed, but I will be doing some more. Fixing up, but this is just literally how I got everything together in one day. One day I did everything, but this is my new craft space for Katrina's Graceful Creations.